What is a tabletop conveyor? Simply put, these are conveyor belts mounted on a table-like structure. They are compact, durable, and highly efficient, perfect for various industries. When it comes to packaging, timing is everything. And that's where tabletop conveyors excel. These systems can move products seamlessly through packaging lines, improving throughput without requiring much floor space. At Furex Industrial, we specialize in custom-designed tabletop conveyors tailored to fit your needs. Whether you're dealing with food packaging, pharmaceuticals, or consumer goods, we have the expertise to create the optimal system for you. One of the biggest benefits of tabletop conveyors is efficiency. These systems are designed for rapid, seamless transitions between packaging stages, resulting in fewer delays and a more streamlined process.